Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Thanks for checking us out today. Today we're going to do a quick tour of 4536 Great Oak Drive, located here in North Charleston in the Ashley River Commons community. It's a pretty awesome place, and we got the boat dock, boat storage, tennis courts, swimming pool, and also in this townhome, it's fully updated with new flooring, new paint, so it's ready to go. It's turnkey. Come on in and check it out. Hey guys, welcome to the second floor of this awesome townhouse. We got new carpet, we got new paint. Check out this master walk-in closet, awesome bathroom. Hey guys, thanks again for checking out our video. If you like what you see, go ahead and smash the like button, hit subscribe. This way each week you'll be alerted every time we put up a new video of a different floor plan, new listing, new communities coming. This way you can stay up to date on our latest videos. Again, this is Jason with the Houston team at Jeff Cook Real Estate. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.